So today's topic is basic definitions before going to our main topic. In previous classes, we understand and knowing that the energy is basically the transfer between the system and surrounding when work is done, and the work is not energy. Basically, it is the how to transfer the energy, like the way of transferred energy. Now it's time for the heat. Heat is not we already know that he is the transferring energy. So when the energy is transferred, is called as this transferring is called heat. So we can see that heat is basically way of transferring energy between system to surrounding. Okay, it is the energy transfer between system and surrounding. Okay, so a heat is the energy transfer between system and surrounding. So if so we the system and the surrounding are separated by the boundary, which is called the boundary. This is the called boundary wall. Okay, so this is the basic definitions we already known in the previous classes, but it is important. And if permit the energy, basically the heat, it is diathermic. If not permit not, it is adiabatic. Okay, and some reactions basically process we know, like when a reaction occurs, is release heat, like the energy transfer from the system to surrounding. Heat is this, so it is exothermic. So exothermic is release heat energy basically, or heat, what we say. And in endothermic, they absorb heat, energy, what we say. So these are some definitions. Or temperatures, I hope you know that it is the basically we can say the difference between kinetic energy then transfer of energy from one to this. I already teach you what is the temperature. We can say that the temperature difference is like molecules kinetic energy. If the kinetic energy is high, the temperature is high. Low, the temperature is low. Basically the energy disbalance. So we already know what is the temperature. That we can say that the kinetic energy high or low of the molecule. These are some basic definitions, and then in next class we move to the molecular interpretation of heat and work, then the internal energy, then we move to the main topic, which is the internal energy and the formulation of first law, expansion of work, and the journal expression of forward. Okay, I hope understand. Please read out this topic. Bye bye.